What up, everybody? We are inside of video 1 of our absolutely free Amazon FBA course. In this video, we're going to go over how to get a business license and the first steps of setting up your Amazon account. All of our videos going forward, they'll last about 10 to 11 minutes, maybe a little longer. I don't want to saturate you too much with information. We're going to start at 10, 11, 12 minutes, and the videos will end, and then we'll upload again tomorrow. So stick with us, subscribe to the channel, that way you make sure you don't miss any of the new uploads. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and dive right in. So right here, I'm going to go to a website. So what I'm going to talk about is getting your business license. There's multiple ways to do this. What I find to be the easiest and the most time conducive way is to do it online. It's about the same as far as cost goes. You could go down to your city hall, courthouse, whatever it may be, get somebody, a lawyer or attorney, whoever it may be that you need to see to get a business license, and do all the paperwork yourself, and it can take a lot longer. So what I do is I go over here to inkfile.com, and this is where I go ahead and get my business license. I will send you in the description below. Click my link, please, and it will bring you right here to inkfile.com. You can go ahead and sign up through that. And what you'll do, you'll go in here and you'll hit company information, LLC, entity type. Go ahead and do an LLC. You don't need anything more. It's a limited liability corporation. Find your state. You should have your state in here. Say you live in Illinois. And then you hit get started. Very simple, step by step. You have the silver, the gold, the platinum. These prices are not universal. So you see 303 for gold. Now look, let's go back. So don't let it freak you out. I don't know where you live. Say you live in Mississippi. Gold is $202. So there's a variance, obviously, depending upon your state, of how much this is going to cost. It's a lot cheaper in Mississippi. You get a silver package. You get the gold package with platinum. Most of mine, I do platinum. I'm not saying you have to. Read the different benefits. These are the services that come with everything. I have 5 LLCs, and I run them through platinum. I have 1 S corp, and this is what I do. But to each his own, and if you don't have as much money, you could probably even start with the silver one. Either way, it doesn't matter. Get whatever is conducive to your business and what you want to do, and how much help you really need. The higher up, the more paperwork that's already done, and the less work for you. So that's why I go platinum. It's the easiest for me. It's very simple. So if I'm in LLC, Mississippi, let's just say, get the gold package. You're going to fill out your information, and you get entity type, gold package, you get the LLC kit, the banking resolution, the operation agreement, express ship, and you'll have your EIN and tax ID number so you can file all your taxes, you can open up business stuff. And then on top of that, having an LLC is going to protect you as a limited liability corporation. So it protects you as a person if you were to get sued for any unforeseen circumstances or anything of that nature. Your business will be getting sued and not you. So if your business doesn't have any money, they can't take anything, and you don't want to be sued. So if you don't have an LLC and somebody comes after you, they can sue you for your home and your house. They can sue you for whatever belongings you do own. So you definitely want to be sure to get an LLC. That's why I'm throwing that out there at the beginning. Most gurus don't even talk about this. They just want you to buy the $5,000 course, $1,000 course, and they don't even talk about the real expenses with everything. So as you saw, you can get this definitely as cheap as $50. So don't let the prices freak you out. Right there, the silver package. We'll just start over. The silver package is $53 in the state of Mississippi. It was like $100 in the state of Illinois, and it's dependent upon your state. So we're not going to drag it out much farther. What you'll get, as you saw, like I got this one right here. They'll send you a cool little book like this. This is a platinum book. It comes like that. The other books, the cheaper books, I think are just a little white thing, but it's really just all your formation documents and everything you need to get yourself going. So you get a fancy little binder to look legit, put it up in your little bookcase, and you look good. You go to the bank, you get a bank account, a business bank account, you're ready to rock and roll. So enough about that. Do that. Like I said, in the description below will be it is an affiliate link. It doesn't charge you more money. That is why I'm giving away course content for free, because I will make money on the back end of any affiliate links that I do provide, but they are links that I use in my business. And you don't have to click it. You can go to inkfile.com. It's right here. So I'm just telling you, I'm showing you. I would appreciate it if you use my link because it will not charge you more, and I will get paid for doing these videos and these content for you. Let's move forward from here, and then we're going to go over to a new tab. So once you have your LLC all set up, Amazon, once you have your LLC all set up, then it'll take a couple of days, maybe 5, maybe a week. It's been a minute. I'm not sure how long it takes. It doesn't take a long time, but you'll get your LLC paperwork sent to you in the mail. I think it's the Platinum. It's a lot faster. You get it in like 3 days, and then you can move forward with going down to your city hall and doing your paperwork. Once it's all done and you're verified, even before that, you can start this other stuff. But Amazon Seller Central will ask for an EIN and tax ID number. So go to your Google search bar, or I'll put in the description below Amazon Seller Central link. All content that I give you in the videos, I will always have in the description below of that video recorded for that day. So just be mindful of that if you don't mind using those links. Some of them I'll get affiliate commission on, some of them I won't. It'll just be easier for you to access all of this. So go to Amazon Seller Central, make sure it says sellercentral.amazon.com, click it. I already have an account. Maybe I could sign in. Just click sign in. Keep me signed up. I have an account, but I'm just going to show you this. You hit register now. Start selling. So over 40% of our profits come from selling on Amazon, said somebody. So I think it's like over 60% of products on Amazon are sold by third-party consumers like me and you. The other 40% are actually still sold by third-party consumers. It's kind of funny, but it's just you have to get invited to the VIP program. Once you sell so much of like one certain product, Amazon will reach out to you and they'll be like, hey, will you be the, I guess the CEO or whatever you want to call it, of that product? Will you be the fulfillment center, the sourcing person? But we want to take it over. So like if you were to go on Amazon and you've seen products for sale, let's say, let's just scroll down, something simple, like what's this, nutritional wellness. You'll see Amazon products like, you know what'll work? Tide detergent, maybe. Yeah, so if I just click something, not a sponsored ad, don't click sponsored ads. The first one, bestseller, the first one, doesn't matter. I want to just show you this. It may say, ships from and sold by Amazon. So that's what I mean by the VIP party. Amazon really does not own this product. We both know Amazon does not own Tide. So there's still the products that are sold, shipped, and sold by Amazon are still owned by third-party representatives. However, they have been invited to the program, which can happen. I've seen it happen with a product of ours that I think we were doing about $700,000 a month, and then it was anywhere between $500,000 to $700,000. It was around Black Friday. It was in November before Black Friday, and they reached out to us and was like, hey, look, do you want to be part of the VIP program? And that's all that is. That's this right here. But don't worry about it. It's not a big deal. You're not going to see it. What it does is it does allow you to do stuff like this, images and stuff in your description. Most people can't do that, but you also don't get paid every 2 weeks. So that's not a big deal. That's not something we need to cover. Let's move forward with this. So what you would do, you'll go to Amazon and you'll hit start selling. Oh, and look, I want to point this out. Gurus don't point this out. It costs $40 a month, plus additional selling fees. These additional selling fees are the fees that are actually associated with when you sell a product. So if you sell nothing, then your only fee for your Amazon FBA Seller Central account is $40 a month, which is auto drafted from your profits. If you don't profit, it'll be drafted from your bank account. So we want to get you to make profit, so this is very easy to make $40. If you sell one product at $40 in a month, you're going to make that money back, and they'll just pull it out of the profits, and you'll never see it leave your bank account. So moving forward, man, y'all probably weren't ready for that. Well, as you can see it, to be continued. So that being said, tomorrow, video 2 will be released. Stay tuned for it. And so you don't miss out, hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you know exactly when we upload this video. This video, we're going to dive into the Amazon Seller Central from the back end so you can see what it's like to be a member of Amazon Seller Central and what you get inside and how you can start importing products over to there. We may even tap into a little bit of product sourcing and stuff like that. So stay tuned for tomorrow, guys. Can't wait.